Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is TCP Cyber. My name is Abe, and on this channel we talk about cybersecurity, we talk about tech, and we talk about anything IT generally. So today I will be going through installation of Kali Linux step by step. I'll be installing it within my lab environment. But before we go further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you can know immediately when I upload any new video. Okay, without further ado, let's dive into it. So basically, to install Kali Linux, you need a VMware workstation player. That will be our virtual platform, and of course, we need to download Kali Linux. Okay, so for the VMware player, just type VMware workstation player, and you see download VMware workstation, and you can download the trial version. Just click on download, and it's going to download the trial version for you. Okay, then I don't need to download it because I already have it. This is my VMware workstation player, and you can see its evaluation license. It is free. Okay, the second thing we'll need, that's a Kali Linux itself. Just say Kali Linux download. Then you get Kali. So because we are using virtual machines, you want to click on virtual machines. Then we are using VMware platform. Just click on it. Just click on download, and it's going to download it. I've already downloaded mine, so I don't need to download again. But this is where you need to click to download it. Once it finishes downloading, it will let me go to where I downloaded mine. It's gonna come like this in form of compressed format. So you need to extract it, to the default folder here. Then you have something like this. Do is to extract into this folder. Okay, just extract into that folder, and then have you have the image into Kali Linux folder. So that's what it's doing right now. This is the overall progress. And once you finish that, so it's currently, yeah, it's finished now. So if you open that folder, you see it inside, and you see all the disk files there. So the next thing to do is to go back to your VMware workstation player, which is this, and you want to open a virtual machine. So if you go back to where the downloaded file is, which is the folder that we decompressed, that's Kali Linux. If you go inside that folder, you will see the image file there. So once you just click on it, it's going to import the Kali. But before you go, you might want to do some editing. Currently, the default memory is 2 gig, but I can increase it to say 4 gig. Okay, and depending on the total memory that your computer has. So I have 32 gig on this computer, but 4 gig is enough here. We don't need to put processor. We have enough processor. We have enough hard drive. Then for the network adapter, you can leave it at NAT. NAT means that it's going to remain within the virtual environment. Okay, so you just click on OK, and you play the virtual machine to start it. So at this point, it's starting up the virtual machine, which is the Kali Linux. It's currently loading it, and once it finishes loading, it will boot on, which is what it's doing right now. And once it finishes booting, it will take you to the login page. Now it has finished booting, and we are now at the login page. The default username is Kali, and the password is also Kali. Just press enter, then you will have Kali installed. Now this is the Kali environment. Okay, and you can see that you can click on the applications here, and you have all the tools arranged depending on the classification, the step that you are in your hacking process. Okay, but because this Kali Linux is just installed, we may want to update or maybe resolve some bugs that is inherent in Kali. So what you want to do is there is an utility that you can use to perform an automatic update and to correct any form of bug that may have come with the installation. So if you go back to your google.com, just type in pimp my Kali, one word. Okay, then you can see, you can go to do what. So all you need to do is to copy the URL of that tool. Then you can now come back to your Kali, go to the terminal here by clicking this icon. Come back to the terminal. Let me see if yeah, come back to the terminal. So at this point, you just need to now, let me see if I can expand it. Okay, so so you just apply this command git clone and paste the URL that you have already copied. Okay, that's the URL. So this command is going to copy the installation file for pimp my Kali on this directory. Okay, so just press okay, at this point it has already installed it, downloaded it. If you list file, you will see pimp my Kali folder there. So you want to enter the folder. Okay, and if you ls, you will see you have the script here. This is the script that we are interested in. So we apply, so that would be that script pimp my Kali.sh, but because it requires root access, you want to apply sudo in front and press enter. You ask password for Kali, which is also Kali, and press enter. So because it is new, it's going to ask you some questions. So because it is new, it's a new VM setup, so you just need to press N here. Once you press N, it will start downloading from a Kali website, you know, to update your installation to resolve any bug that might have been discovered and rectified. So that's what it's doing at the moment. This is going to take some time. As you can see, it's going to take some time, but we'll be on standby. I will pause the video now and I will continue when it finishes downloading. Okay, so at this point it's asking whether we want to make Kali to also have privileged access like root. No, we want to leave Kali the way it is, and we want to be able to switch user to root when we need admin privilege. So we will say no here, and the Kali will continue to download and install latest modules and software. I will pause again, and then when it finishes, I will come back. So at this point, you can see that the update is done. Everything is now ready. All the updates have been performed, and it's saying all done. Happy hacking. So our Kali Linux is ready, and we have performed all the updates. So that's how to perform installation of Kali Linux. I hope this has been helpful to you. If it has added any value to you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'll be making more of this type of video. So consequently, so yeah, so that's what I have for today. Again, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.